Friends, Running Kimono here. So today's video, we're going to be looking at a Walgreens preview, the flyer for the week of February the 26th to March the 4th. If I could ask for one really big favor, if you possibly could like this video, I would be so grateful, just to ensure that others are able to see this video and it doesn't get sent to YouTube Siberia. I would be so grateful. So just take a second and like this video. Okay, so we have a new month over at Walgreens, and with that, we're going to have some new monthly deals. So brace yourself for those, along with new digital Walgreens coupons, and they're called IVCs, which stand for Instant Value Coupons of a one-time use, and they are digital. So be on the lookout for those on Sunday morning. Let's also take a quick second to see this promotion is back of buy two, get the third for free. They haven't done this in a couple of months. So when they do this for skincare, dental, and now beauty, I'm very happy to see it. There's going to be some tremendous savings with beauty deals for the month of March. Okay, so on Thursday morning, I got this booster of $12 of Walgreens cash when you spend $55, valid from the 26th to the 4th. Pay attention to those dates, guys. It is of a one-time use. Yes, it stacks with paper, so one paper and one digital. For the balance, pay with your credit card, debit card, or bills. Do not use any Walgreens cash or store register rewards to pay down the balance, or it will mess everything up. First deal we're going to look at is with the Olay body wash for $7. The full description of the coupon isn't live on the Flip app. It just says $5 off. Typically when that happens, it's a 5 off 3. So let's toss 3 of them into a basket for $21. If I'm wrong, if it's a 5 off 2, that'll be the first in forever. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $16, getting back a $4 register reward for buying 2, making it $12 for the 3 or $4 per. IBOTTA app, will there be a rebate for Olay sometime next week? We'll have to wait and see. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your $4 store register reward. Now, one thing I do want to point out to you guys that's kind of interesting and weird. I saw this on the Flip app, a $5 reward when you spend 15 plus on women's wellness. So this is interesting, where this will definitely have to be tested out on Sunday morning. That appears to be all P&G products. So are we going to get a $4 store register reward and a $5 register reward? I mean, that would make these next two deals so sweet. Looking like P&G products. So this will also be part of it because it's part of the photo. $5 to $9, $4 reward when you buy 2, up to 5 for the coupon. So I'm assuming you're going to have to buy 3. So 3 of the $5 Pantenes is 15 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying 10. Getting back a $4 register reward, making it $6 for the 3 or $2 per. Again, you're doing this without a booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash. And if we get that second register reward, it would actually make this $1 for the 3 or 33 cents per Pantene. Definitely have to test this one out. What's printing on Sunday morning, yay or nay? Okay, now we're looking at some diapers, 2 for $21. We have a 3 off a 2 digital on the same promotion of $4 reward when you buy 2. Grabbing 2 of the bags for $21 on the nose, subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $18. Getting back a $4 register reward, making it $14 for the 2 or $7 per bag. If you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. I would definitely throw this into a booster deal, though, because it is such a large amount, especially if you have the spend 55, get back 12. The same Dove deal as last week is back again. Wouldn't it be nice if we got digital coupons again? That would be really nice. We'll have to wait and see. I want to point something out to you guys. The older packaged Doves are the ones you're going to want to grab, because the newer one with the square tops, well, look at the difference, guys. It's a difference between 22 ounces for the old and 20 ounces for the new. Get the old ones. Grabbing 2 of these body washes for $14. That's 7 off 2 digital coupon. If you didn't use it last week, utilize it this week. You're going to pay $7. Get back a $4 in Walgreens cash, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per. And again, will there possibly be some new coupons on Sunday? I do not know, but that would be super nice. If you're doing this deal on its own, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. If you're using it with a booster, the answer is absolutely not. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is with the Dawn. These are buy 4, get back a $5 register reward. Sunday morning, we're going to have to see if there's any digital coupons to go with our friend. Grabbing 4 of these at $3.99, and it is the cheapest item on this promotion. It's $15.96. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per body wash. If you're trying to burn some store register rewards or some other magic, go for it. No booster. Yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Now this deal is back, and I always like when it appears. 4 for $9 for the Bounce Downy Tide Simply Laundry Care, so P&G products. Grabbing 4 of them. If you wish to mix and match, by all means go for it. It makes it $2.25 per laundry product. If you wish to use a bit of Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, absolutely go for it if you're doing this without a booster. Okay, BOGO 50% off on the Scott. I like this so much better than an IVC because you could throw it in all the time. Grabbing 2 of these Scott products at $5 a pop, that's $10. Subtracting the BOGO free promotion, you're paying $7.50 for the 2 or $3.75 per. On Sunday morning, let's triple check if there's any digital coupons to go with. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash as long as you're not doing this deal in concert with a booster. Okay, now we're looking at the Colgate toothpaste for $3.99, $4 reward when you buy 2. They always provide some sort of like 4 off 2 digital whenever like it's a new month. So grabbing 2 of these Colgates for $7.98. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $3.98, getting back a $4 register reward, making it free. On Sunday morning, let's triple check for the coupons. And if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that $4 register reward. Now we have the holiday M&Ms or the Easter M&Ms for $2.99. Grabbing 2 of the bags is $5.98. Subtracting the IVC, which is $1 off 2, you're paying $2.49 per bag. A really nice for some kids for Easter. Okay, so let's talk about some quick honorable mentions. The first one that we're going to look at is this. $5 for the soft soap. Earn $5 when you buy 2. By 3, I don't know. We'll have to wait and see. Potentially this could be a deal, and typically Colgate Palmolive offers us either a $1 or $2 digital for this specific product. We're going to have to wait and see on Sunday what they provide for us. Possibly a good deal. This is always nice to see. $4.99 for the Cottonelle Kleenex Viva paper products. Typically it's $7.99 per. So a little bit of savings right there. I mean, use your $4 store coupon and pay 99 cents and call this a win. A very good deal. The Dr. Bronner's is $14.99. I think it's usually like $19.99 unless they got a smaller bottle. We'll have to investigate that if you love Dr. Bronner's. And Burt's Bees skin, lip, that sort of good stuff. Earn $5 when you spend $20. We're going to have to wait and see what kind of a deal we can patch together next week for that. And then BOGO free for the nice nuts and those good items. And then $5.99 for the Dunkin' K-Cups. If you have a Keurig, a very good price point for coffee. And selected Kellogg's products on a BOGO free promotion for the cereal and Pop-Tarts. If you need some quick food for a bunch of teenagers in the morning, this might be it. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.